welcome back. Got a new project, a 91 half ton. Came with a 5.3 liter in the bed. Probably gonna save that for the next project. This was a TBI truck, and yeah, I had taken the TBI off to go carbureted. I don't know why people do that so often, but had a block with an intake on it, and beautiful shade of duplicolor red on everything, and you know, looks like teenager special in here. Got the window tint and just everything dirty, so that's perfect. So I'm gonna do the right thing and fix absolutely nothing on this, and throw a carburetor on it, and take the turbo 400 that he had in there out, and picked up a 700 R4 locally. So that should take it back to almost factory, and maybe kick this thing down the road, maybe drive around. I don't know, it's kind of growing on me. I like how comfortable these seats are in these trucks. So got a carburetor on this bad boy, plugs, wires, cleaned up the wiring, all the things that a boy needs. So got her on the fire making happener here, and gonna make sure that this battery will kick over and just tickle the key and see what happens. I don't know, maybe she'll bark up. Well, that definitely means the timing's off and the battery's dead, so let's try again. Here we can see a beautifully maintained Chevy 350. I mean, it's been, you know, it's got all the oils, so that's perfect. You know that it's nice and protected. It's got that buildup of protection film on there that just gets in the things and does stuff, and that's great. So I expected this was a cam bearing, because I can't describe to you the sound that it made when it was running, but you know, it's kind of like if you have a large metal desk and you're dragging it across the floor, and I don't know, that horrific sending shivers down your spine noise, it made that as soon as I revved it a little bit. So yeah, it just sounded like a bearing, I guess. So little cam likes to spin, and then it just stops. So there's something in there. Normally on these there lifters, they come up just enough that you can grab onto them. These are the non-grabbing variety, so I'm going to spend 74 hours getting those out, and then I can pull this cam and eventually see what the bearing looks like. Worst comes to worst, I guess. There's always the 5.3 in the back, so hopefully it doesn't come to that. New cam bearings installed, put everything back together with some new gaskets, set my lash and pre-adjusted the carburetor, see if it fires up. Hopefully that noise is gone. Well, it appears that cam bearing issue has been solved. I'll go ahead and knock out some other cool things on this thing. Not really. I'm just going to tidy everything up, make sure that all the wiring's done correctly and terminated properly. And I recently found some power heated dimming mirrors from a 98 pickup. So you put those on, should bolt right up, and
I get a factory mirror switch to control movement. Should be able to wire that in pretty simple. I love GM because most of their stuff just swaps right over. It's modular and the wiring is really simple. So get those in there. If I get a compass temperature mirror, that should control the dimming on those mirrors also. So put all three of those in, give you a little feature comfort upgrade on the 91, make you feel like you're driving a, I don't know, just a 20-year-old truck. Stay tuned for next episode.